Okay, folks, now I'm going to show you a little bit more about the shelter system that we provide for you. This is again the Hennessy Hammock Ultralight Explorer. This is a silk poly tarp that goes on top of the hammock, and here is the bottom insulation. All right, all of those things combined have a total weight. See, this is in pounds. Okay, so 3.6 pounds. That's in, let's see, in kilograms. Yeah, 1.54 kilograms. So 1.5 kilograms. And the cool thing about this, get this out of the way. Cool thing about this is that all these items are highly compressible, so they can fit. You know, you can make them fit inside your pack. The tarp, of course, has to go inside the pack, but outside of the waterproof liner, so that if you pack it wet, it is somewhere accessible for the following night, and also it's not going to get the rest of your items wet. And this one is also highly compressible, you know. So we're gonna go outside the balcony, try to recreate like an outdoor situation and set it up and show you what that looks like. Okay, folks, this is what your hammock setup looks like. This is your Hennessy hammock, hanging here from my veranda. This is what the suspension is like, you know, webbing that goes to some descending rings. And then, of course, it has a bug net to protect you from bugs. And here you can see it's got a zipper. This is how you get in the hammock. And in there, that's where you live. I got here my water bottle for the night. I got this small organizer. It's got my iPod. It's got my Menticol that I was explaining earlier about. And of course, you can zip it up. And then down here, this is the insulation that you're going to be using. This is some kind of a mylar reflexive material that traps some heat. And you may or may not need that. Of course, if it gets cool in the early hours of the morning, let's say 2 or 3 in the morning, you probably will appreciate having that, because the air that's moving around your hammock robs you of your heat. But if you don't need it, you can put it away. You know, you can put it away off to one side of the hammock, so that is not, giving you any heat whatsoever. And then, of course, reach over, reach out and under and pull it into place when you need it. The tarp, I have it over here. This goes over your hammock. I'm not going to set it up because otherwise you won't be able to see the hammock itself. But I'm sure you've seen pictures, and if not, I can send you some. And of course, the first day when we get to the Darien village, we're going to have to practice, setting up the tarp, the hammock, and the insulation. So this is it for now, folks. Any questions, just shoot me a line. Thanks. Bye.